inintroduce ako sa kanya ng coworker ko. And then, parang sabi ng coworker ko, okay lang ba daw na ibigay niya yung messenger ko kay Ralph? So, sabi ko, sige. Parang okay lang. Ano lang, wala lang. Sige. Kung magbe-message, okay. Kung hindi, okay. And then, after couple of days, ayun, nag-message. Tapos yun, start.
Nagkakilala kami dahil dun sa isang kasama niya sa work, which is friend naman ng nila Uncle John, nila Uncle Aler. Pinakilala siya sa akin through Messenger, Facebook. Tapos doon, nag-start na akong mag-chat sa kanya. At hindi siya agad nag-reply. Hinintay ko muna yon. Tapos bigla siyang nag-reply the other day.
Naalala ko si Papa. Masaya siya para sa akin kasi ako yung bunso niya. Tapos isa pa na dahilan din, Ralph siya, yung father ko kasi, namatay siya 2021. Tapos eto si Ralph, dumating. Ang pangalan ng father ko, Rafael. Tapos yung birthday nila, si Ralph, October 11. Tapos si Papa, October 13. Kaya, naiyak ko.
Yayakapin ka ng mahigpit, hahangkan sa labi. O sinta, sadyang iniibig kita.
So, special gift mula sa amin ni Eunice.
Salamat. Buhay ay bigla nagbago nang ika'y matagpuan ko. Ikaw ang
Accept this gift that represents the time we spent together and countless memories we will create. I love you, Burarinko. Can't wait to see you. Love, beloved. Thank you, beloved. Love you.
pagsubok ay kayang tahakin. Aasahan
I love you, bilog ko. My soulmate, my love. Sana gugustuhan at ingatan mo yung gift. Thank you, Buriring. I love you.
iyong ganda, parang musikang umaawit. Ang tinig at
tandaan po ninyo, Ralph and Eunice, sabi nga, loving is not a task. It must be always a way of living to both of you as a husband and wife, so that you can always love one another always and forever.
kita sa hirap ng pagkinawa. Pangako na di ka mag-iisa.
I promise to grow old with you. I always prioritize our family and respect the bond we have. Eunice, you are my everything, and I love you. I will keep loving you genuinely, even on our toughest days, until the end of time.
Isang buhay ay biglang nagbago nang ika'y matagpuan ko.
Whatever it takes, I will show you that I love you. I will choose you more and more every day. More than anything else, I want you to know that I love you, my Buribundo, your wife.
Nang